Today I am reviewing the Culligan RC-EZ-4 replacement cartridge. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Access to clean, great-tasting drinking water is one of those foundational elements of a healthy household that we often take for granted, until the water starts tasting like chlorine or smelling a bit metallic. If you are using a filtration system under your sink, hooked up to your refrigerator's ice maker, or even built into your recreational vehicle, you know that the system is only as good as the cartridge inside it. Today, we are taking a deep dive into a premium tier option, the Culligan RC-EZ-4 Premium Water Filtration Replacement Cartridge. Designed for the highly popular Easy Change system, this filter promises top-tier filtration stats and a massive 500-gallon lifespan. Let us take a closer look at what makes this specific cartridge stand out in a crowded market. First and foremost, let us address the level of filtration, because this is where the RC-EZ-4 truly earns its premium designation. It is important to know that Culligan manufactures a few different levels of filters for this system, ranging from level 1 to level 4. The RC-EZ-4 is their absolute highest performing cartridge. It does not just tackle basic taste and odor, it provides a comprehensive chemical and particulate barrier for your home. This filter is tested and certified by IPMO to meet rigid NSF and ANSI standards. Specifically, it meets standard 42 for the aesthetic reduction of chlorine taste, chlorine odor, chloramines, and class 1 particulates. But more importantly, it meets standard 53 for health effects. This means it actively reduces heavy metals like lead and mercury, controls volatile organic compounds, commonly known as VOCs, filters out MTBE, and reduces turbidity. Furthermore, it intercepts dangerous microscopic cysts such as cryptosporidium and giardia. If you live in an area with aging municipal pipes or volatile well water chemistry, having this level of comprehensive protection right at your tap offers immense peace of mind. Your water becomes visibly cleaner, crisper, and perfectly safe for drinking and cooking. Next, let us discuss compatibility and the physical design, which is arguably the biggest selling point for the everyday consumer. The RC-EZ-4 is fully compatible with Culligan's US EZ-1, US EZ-3, and US EZ-4 undersink systems. The standout design feature here is the easy change mechanism. If you have ever owned an old-school water filter where you needed a specialized wrench, a bucket to catch a gallon of spilled water, and the physical strength of a weightlifter just to unscrew a slimy plastic canister, you will absolutely love this system. Replacing this cartridge is a tool-free, mess-free process. You simply give the old cartridge a quick quarter turn to unlock it, pull it straight down, and click the new one into place with an easy twist. Internal valves automatically shut off the water flow when the cartridge is removed, meaning you do not even have to crawl into the back of your cabinet to shut off the main water valve. It takes less than 60 seconds from start to finish, making routine maintenance incredibly stress-free. Another crucial factor to evaluate is the overall filter life. The RC-EZ-4 is rated to last for up to 500 gallons of water, or roughly 6 months of typical household usage. Of course, the exact lifespan will depend slightly on your local water quality and how much heavy sediment your pipes carry, but 500 gallons is a generous capacity for a compact undersink filter. For a standard family of 4 using the tap for daily drinking water, filling coffee pots, and boiling pots of pasta, 6 months is the sweet spot. It means you only have to think about replacing the filter twice a year. Finally, let us talk about its multi-use versatility. While many people install this directly under their kitchen sink to power a dedicated drinking water faucet, it is equally effective when spliced into the water line feeding your refrigerator. This ensures that your refrigerator's internal water dispenser and your automatic ice maker are pulling from a premium-grade source, completely eliminating cloudy, odd-tasting ice cubes. Additionally, because of its compact vertical profile and robust build quality, it has become a massive favorite among RV owners. When you are traveling and hooking up your motorhome to various campground water sources across the country, you never truly know the quality of the water you are getting. Installing this cartridge in your RV ensures a consistent, safe, and delicious water supply no matter where your travels take you. To wrap things up, the Culligan RC-EZ-4 RC-EZ-4 is a top-tier replacement cartridge that checks every single box. It provides rigorous certified filtration against heavy metals, chemicals, and cysts, features an incredibly user-friendly twist and lock installation system, and offers a robust 500-gallon lifespan. If you want to protect your family and enjoy premium quality water right from the tap, this is a highly reliable choice that is well worth the investment.